Welcome back to Mighty Machines. If you want to know the most powerful, most dangerous, and most exciting machines in the world and how they're made, today's video will be for you. When it comes to services that include breakage of rocks, recycling of steel slag and molds, and crushing of reinforced concrete, the Fractum Rock Breaker is the best one there is. It has impact breakers that promise to deliver innovative, reliable, efficient, safe, and cost-effective solutions. They can be used in mining and quarrying, since they have the capacity to crush boulders up to 150 tons. It can work well with materials like bauxite, granite, and basalt rocks. In fact, this machine seems to do a better job when handling harder rocks. It can also be deployed in demolition projects thanks to its capacity to crush concrete and concrete aggregate. It can work with 40 meters cubed per hour of work area that includes roads, factory floors, and other large surfaces. Lastly, it's also functional in the steel industries. Steel mills all around the world use this machine to recycle slag, molds, and steel scrap. Aside from that, this is also able to remove skulls and breakage of pig iron and tundish. Then we also have the CV320 VLT-U, the machine used to install 13 piles at the Candelak B3 in Antwerpen. This machine single-handedly managed to pick up, lift, stab, and drive as deep as possible 35 meters long and 2.9 meters in diameter piles. In just a span of 4 days, this beast was able to position all 13 of them in place. After that, piles were transported to the final penetration through the help of a 500 kJ impact hammer. Moreover, one of the crowd's favorite features of this machine is its ability to handle operations even without grip or seabed installation frames. BEHACK has created a snow remover inspired by the Alps, Europe's highest mountain range. This has been developed to work even in environments dominated by glaciers in order to keep railways operational even during the winter. It took a full 9 months to perfect this 76-ton steel machine. Despite its heavy steel components, this machine can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. Because of the power provided by its 2 engines, this machine can also keep up with its fast operations. The first engine powers the entire machine, while the second powers the blades. This perfect distribution of power allows the machine to remove 10,000 tons of snow in under 1 hour. In construction sites, the moving of materials like soil, rock, sand, demolition, debris, etc. is done by an equipment commonly known as a loader. A great example of this is the FAM SR 800P9, known to be the largest wheel loader in South America. This impressive machine can handle 14,500 tons of gravel per hour, which is 4,000 tons more than the machine that came before it. Even with its working capacity, it does not sacrifice speed, since operators can still experience moving it at a speed of 15 meters per minute. On top of that, efficiency is also increased with its 25 meters high and 52 meters long bucket and the 16 baskets of its 19 meters removal disc. The new generation Wagner 4-wheel drive log stackers are next on the list. With a lifting capability of up to 160,000 pounds, this is suitable for activities in unimproved and muddy yard conditions. All Wagner 4-wheel drive models include a rear oscillating axle and a small center of gravity shift that stays behind the load to give outstanding stability with little capacity lost in a turn, similar to big wheel loaders. The rear axle may also be withdrawn with seasonal ground conditions improve, reducing axle wear and fuel consumption. Faster hoist speeds, a ground-level surface bay, force-cooled wet disc brakes, quick-access cooler bays, and a selectable automatic transmission are among its features. A-Tier also provides this log stacker. This is the world's third largest semi-submersible crane vessel, also known as the Sapam 7000. This crane is able to lift up to 14,000 tons. It was designed to serve as a multi-purpose offshore oil platform installation vessel capable of installing very large oil production platform decks. One of its projects is giving support to the offshore completion of the platform by providing hotel and workshop facilities for large construction crews. Thanks to its size and semi-submersible form, this machine can work excellently even when faced with challenging weather conditions. Next up, we have the Slag Taurus by KIRO. This is known to be a robust and reliable slag pot carrier with articulated steering and patented safety system. If your project requires a machine that can work even on narrow roads, then this low overall width of the Slag Taurus platform is perfect for you. Due to its U-frame, it can provide optimal visibility and even give out fast cycle times because of the short hydraulic lifts. This machine is not stopped by narrow roads and even limited pickup heights. KIRO also has another multi-purpose device that makes switch construction, track and bridge construction, and accident recovery much easier jobs. Its impressive operational qualities caused it to have the capacity of handling 60 to 3,000 metric tons, hence making the loading of the heaviest loads possible in a precise and fast way. It cuts so much time in the operations because it has a quick operational setup, high performance, and excellent track maneuverability. This equipment was designed to aid in the repair of fissures caused by soil compaction. Because of its unique vibratory mechanism, its forces only influence those in its vertical direction. To put this claim to the test, they placed a glass of water nearby and delivered a 160 kilo compression force at a rate of 70 Hz. This video clearly demonstrates the possibilities of this gadget. The SG30 TRX is an all-terrain dedicated track stump grinder from RecQuib Equipment. Completely hydraulic and powered by a 31 horsepower Briggs & Stratton 5 twin Vanguard engine, this machine can cut any arc that is 2.5 meters and 134 degrees. It works with the help of its intuitive controls like the one that controls each track and the joystick that controls the cutting head slew function, as well as the left to right motion of the grinding disc. Through the track system's true skid steer type drive, it gives the operator an easy transport of the unit to and from the work sites. Up next are clips from RecQuib that show an impressive machine suitable for most any tractor and at any depths up to 135 centimeters. This innovation is a result of years upon years of experience in furrowing and breaking up soil layers. It's built with claws that help break apart deep soil layers along with a roller that functions to compact the soil. This is done to prevent excessive soil erosion. Proving its title of impressive machine, this can help in tilling of almost any field. The best at removing snow in airports, this is the TV1000 TV1000 Plus Performance line from Oversign. Designed to withstand heavy-duty snow clearance at airports, it can work with any type of snow at depths of up to 2 meters. To use, the snowblower is mounted to a purpose-built chassis. It has its unique flying cab that gives the driver the freedom to position in front or at the back of the blower chute, giving optimal view during operations. This high-speed blower also guarantees giving the driver utmost comfort through its hydraulic chassis suspension. The driver's cab is also not mounted to the blower head, taking comfort to another level. In this way, the cabin is less exposed to shaking and vibrations from the blower head. This is the TC100 transport system from Meister Kran. Its main purpose is to carry heavy loads, but it can definitely do more than that. This machine is designed to accomplish tasks that regular transport vehicles would have a hard time doing. Thanks to its low profile and track design, it's best for carrying heavy loads up and down steep slopes. The TC100 does all these while maintaining an excellent turning radius. Up next is the Chipo 8010 from Comptech Group, which is an amazing wood chipping machine. With its 780 horsepower Cat C18 engine, it's able to produce an output of at least 320 cubic meters of material an hour, and can discharge it up to 20 meters away. To insert logs into the chipper, it has a user-operated claw and splitting unit that allows the feeding of large logs. With a profile of 75 by 100 centimeters feeder opening, it can also accommodate huge loads. This is the Firewood Processor Titan 4320J from Uniforest. It's able to cut logs with a diameter of 43 centimeters, using its durable and powerful harvest chainsaw bar. Then split it into 4, 6, 8, or 12 parts all at the same time thanks to its 20-ton splitting force. Then it hydraulically presses these pieces through a splitting knife, creating perfectly cut pieces of firewood. Operated with an electronic control lever or joystick, it's truly a machine with easy operability. This further proves the compact and ergonomic design of the Firewood Processor Titan 4320J standard. The drive is possible via PTO, electric motor, or a combination of both. With its compact and ergonomic shape, it's suitable for domestic use. Digging and transporting trees can be done with perfect speed and efficiency using the tree spade attachment from Bobcat Company. This can be attached to a variety of loaders, yet its compact and short tower design allows it to easily squeeze between closely planted trees. Thanks to its reinforced attachment frame, it can handle bumps and bruises from tough work environments, promoting maximum durability. It can also work in a wide range of soil conditions. maximizing worksite capabilities. To control the attachment, a fingertip control is integrated into the loader control handles, so processes like digging, transplanting, and packaging trees can be accomplished even without leaving the comfort of the operator's seat. Turning any loader into a transplanting unit, the tree spade attachment speeds up production while cutting down costs on labor. Pulling stumps with a diameter of 4 to 23 inches under any soil condition, the Savannah Global Model 1720 earns its name as one of the most mind-blowing stump puller tractor attachments. This works by removing the stump first, then taking it to the rotary rake so that it can tumble it into the wind drones free of soil. This is done so the stumps can be disposed of through burning or grinding in the field at an optimal drive speed of 3 to 4.5 miles per hour. This attachment has an insane mechanism allowing it to cover up to 4 acres per hour. Let's now move on to this V-shaped plow-based trencher from the Vanam Drainage. It has an effective plow design that guarantees a very minimal disruption without any soil mixing. It can reach up to 1.8 meters of depth, making it ideal for the installation of field drainage in a wheat stubble. Powered by its 500 horsepower MTU engine, this machine can accomplish more than what you can imagine. It also has a built-in GPS that allows the tracking of depth and grade while driving so that everything is kept at a constant. Last but not least, this is the VTN Europe SPA demolishing head. Easily exceeding the features of other machines in its field, this can cut and smash anything a customer desires. It can even cut through another bulldozer. All credits are given to its teeth that are made up of hadrons that pushes its toughness and strength to a whole new level. The BBSR is a fully automated circular blending bed stacker reclaimer that is designed to give significant operational advantages for any application concerning complete pile blending. Through continuously building piles in a 360-degree rotational pattern, this machine can maintain material consistency and quality all throughout the operation. Layer upon layer of material are formed into a pile through the help of a stacking conveyor moving in a circular motion as the pile grows. At the ground level, you can find the reclaim bridge, which moves into the pile as it reclaims. To fluidize the material, a harrow agitates the reclaiming face of the pile simultaneously. Then a large diameter screw catches all the falling material to transfer it to the center area. This is where it drops through a conical chute into the reclaim belt. This belt then goes under the pile and comes out at the edge so that the circular base of the pile isn't disrupted. Large diameter rubber wheels resting on a concrete ring drive the reclaim boom into the pile, effectively setting the reclaim rates. Its first in, first out FIFO system ensures that the oldest material in the pile gets to be reclaimed first. This prevents any possibility of microbial degradation and heat generation since the materials do not remain in the stacker reclaimer for long. Pile compression and unnecessary damages are also not a problem since stored materials are never driven over or mishandled by keeping the pile height low. The circular conical pile shape also sheds rainwater, reducing the impact of rain events on pile moisture content. With the transfer station dividing the material flow to the ship loading and truck loading, the BEHACK Group Loader and Porto Reclaimer allows customers to load either ships or trucks, or both at the same time. This has a supply scope of 600 tons per hour, including a Porto Reclaimer and the ship loader with a scope of 1,000 tons per hour. Its tripper conveyor is also fully automatic to fill the longitudinal stockpile. To make it better, there's also a mimic panel so operators are comfortable enough in monitoring and controlling the system as well as adjusting the motor control units. The motor control units were also adjusted along with the addition of a substation and a transfer station with a capacity of 1,000 tons per hour. To ensure a high-quality performance even in scheduling, it also has a screening station and a solution with a capacity of 2 by 500 tons per hour. Aside from these, it also has a carbamide, which is known as urea. Luffing, slewing, telescopic boom, and a shuttle conveyor are just some of its exciting features. Its versatility allows it to be suitable for body open or closed quay in any or every loading situation. Komatsu has once again successfully manufactured two high-tech hybrid drive underground loaders. These are equipped with durable independent electric motors in each wheel to provide a complete service solution to miners and contractors. Known to be the lowest total operating costs in their class, the hybrid Komatsu WX22H and WX18H LHDs are sure to provide excellent solutions to them. The Komatsu WX077T loader is 14% more productive than other machines in the same class, while the WX044T LHD has 20% more breakout force compared to the others. Komatsu's other hybrid loaders like the WX22H and smaller WX18H also offer up to 20% increase in tons moved and up to 20% decrease in fuel costs. It was also identified in an independent life cycle analysis that there's a 30% reduction in operating costs with these machines. High-efficiency electric traction motors in each wheel are also used to provide a better work cycle performance, thus making conventional mechanical power drive redundant, which results in substantial reductions in operating costs. On the energy aspect, the Komatsu WX18H can produce up to 280 kilowatts and reuses braking energy from each of the four wheels through the help of its kinetic energy storage system, KES. Heat energy generated when the machine stops abruptly at the dig face is captured by the bidirectional KES loop instead of being lost to the atmosphere. This stores and releases 3 MJ of energy that can supply power from the conventional diesel engine, then results in greater acceleration and maximizing its cycle performance. On the other hand, Komatsu's 22-ton WX22H produces 320 kilowatts, with the smaller WX18H producing 280 kilowatts. Both are using engines rated to the strictest EU Stage 5 requirements for emission control, use the same KES, and both are capable of delivering 410 kilowatts, which effectively doubles power delivery on demand. To have smoother acceleration and less tire wear or component degradation, a smart traction system is integrated in these machines to help it generate less inertia at each stop. This significantly reduces potential damage to the drivetrain. Moreover, these are proven to have fewer underground emissions, lower heat rejection, and greater operator comfort because of its hybrid system. In the field of mining, we have the Tesmec 1475 XL Evo Surface Miner. Powered by C18 Acert Tier 4 Final S-Stage 4 engine, which produces a maximum of 630 horsepower, this machine can work for continuous surface mining in rock. This version has a 420 cm wide drum that works in bulk excavation projects, open pit quarries, mining, and very large diameter pipelines. The 1475 XL Evo RH can work and cut even with vertical walls and square corners, because of the rear-mounted drum larger than the truck. Thanks to the Trenchtronic 5.0, this can work up cutting or down cutting by simply changing the attachment. The 1475 XL Evo RH is a combination of high chain pull and low chain speed through its upgraded flywheel gearboxes and new hydraulic components. This is definitely the best match for hard and abrasive rocks. Using this machine can increase productivity and at the same time decrease tooth consumption and maintenance costs. Some of its additional features are the pressurized elevating ROPS cab with AC and sound suppression. Driven by a hydrostatic digging transmission, it now has a mechanical digging drive or flywheel gearboxes. It also has the last generation laser system that allows accurate and inclined surface or constant excavation depth. Different soil conditions also won't get in the way since it has the upcutting and downcutting mode for faster adaptability. Next, we have the Hamlin Dockmate ship preparation system, which is a semi-automatic water jet vehicle. This has a working height of up to 32 meters and a working width of up to 1 meter. Another unique feature is its dust-free and environmentally friendly preparation of surfaces. To guarantee versatility in operation, this machine was integrated with the Dockmate in charge of the environmentally friendly derusting, removal of old surface coatings and accumulated waste and wastewater, and the AquaBlast Plus vacuum system. The AquaBlast Plus cleaning and vacuum system is designed using a special nozzle layout that provides evenly distributed high-pressure water across the entire working width. This also has a hydraulic drive that makes constant speeds variable from 100 to 2,500 RPM possible. Contamination of the hydraulic oil isn't something to worry about too, as oil and water are kept separately, while keeping cleaning and vacuuming integrated in a single system. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring material used for jewelries and a lot more. With the basis of strength, granite comes after diamond. It's usually seen as decorations for infrastructures or houses. However, this wonderful stone does not show you its beauty easily. It needs to go through different processes like cutting. To cut the second hardest stone, you need a machine that can compete with its strength. Good thing Mech is an expert in creating similar machines for every purpose you can think of. The blades cut through the stone while maintaining a constant force from all sides. This technique does not only result in successful cutting, but the even division of granite too. Aside from this, it can cut the times faster than the traditional saw cutters while providing dust-free operations. the construction as well as the maintenance of a bridge can be very demanding. Most of the processes involved with the mentioned acts are mostly cutting or transferring. This 91-inch diameter circular saw is an expert in cutting through the concrete of any bridge by Aku-Cut Concrete Services. This is used for cutting big concrete blocks and can even be used for construction. It works through carving out previously damaged concrete and blocks during big repairs to make way for fresh concretes. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments section what you want to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Mighty Machines channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss out on these amazing machines. See you in the next video.